Hey everyone, Mrs. Melvin here, and today I'm going to show you how to get on to Lexia a different way if you're having trouble getting into it through Teams. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Washoe County School District website. I have it saved on my computer. So what that means is I went to the website, and then once I was there, I went over to this little star and I pressed on that star and it saved it to my computer. So every time, and I did that with all these websites, they're all saved for me to just instantly be able to hop into, which I find really convenient. And I would, if I were you, do that with the Washoe County School District website because there's so much information on there that pertains to you. So if you don't have it, you're going to type in Washoe County School District. Okay, press on it. It'll pop you right here. Press on it. Okay, and then we're in that website. It has all sorts of stuff for you. But we're going to go to students and parents. Once we're in students and parents, we want to scroll down to Clever. We have Clever right here. Second one down on the C's. Press on our Clever. And then it pops us in. If it doesn't automatically pop you in, then you need to, in the username, it's going to be just like how you get into your computer. You're going to put your numbers, and then you're going to put your password. It should be exactly the same as for when you get into your computer. If you're having problems, please let us know and we will help you. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to get into that Lexia. Okay, and it should, once you're in Clever, it'll pop you right in.